Hey everyone, I'm happy to announce that I worked with ArtStation to create a free Paper 2D course for ArtStation Learning. It's roughly 3 hours long and will teach you the fundamentals of Paper 2D and PaperZD by creating a small 2D 3D hybrid game. The best thing about it is that it's completely free for everyone, so please check it out from the link in the description. And I want to say thank you to Epic for sponsoring the creation of this course and also this video. If you need to know a bit more first, let me break down what the course is about in a bit more detail. It's more geared towards beginners, but even if you've been watching my YouTube videos for a while, the course offers a nice package that ties everything together in one place and allows you to follow along step by step. We'll start out by importing a character sprite sheet, which I prepared for you, to then separate it into individual sprites and then create flipbook assets for each animation. After that, we'll create a paper character blueprint which already has the basis for collision and character movement set up, and we'll use our flipbooks within that blueprint. Here, we'll also make sure that our sprite is able to cast and receive shadows to better merge the 2D and 3D elements of our project. Moving on, we'll set up the player camera and also prepare the enhanced input actions to allow us to pass inputs to the character and make it walk around. To match the movement, I'll then show you how we can switch between the idle and walking animation using Blueprint Visual Scripting. We'll then also quickly take care of properly rotating the character left and right depending on which direction we are going. Having set up the base for the character, we'll then work on importing a free environment from Fab and then start tweaking a few settings to improve the look of our game. We'll look at post-processing settings such as bloom, the vignette, and most importantly how to set up depth of field to make the area around the character appear in focus while making the background and foreground slightly blurred out. After that, I'll show you how we can create and apply a custom material which will allow us to apply a normal map for edge lighting, and also how we can apply an emissive map to make certain areas of our character glow. Hand-painted textures like our map is using are a good fit for 2D 3D hybrids, but I'll also show you how we can lower the max texture resolution to make them appear more pixelated and match the look of our character even more. We'll then go back into working on our character and I'll show you how to set up the free PaperZD plugin that allows us to improve the animation workflow of our character. PaperZD is an Epic Mega Grant recipient and extends the functionality of Paper 2D, providing an animation graph with state machines that allows us to switch between animations in an organized manner. And it also provides animation notifies that easily allows to play sound effects at a certain point during animation, or also trigger completely custom events. We'll then also use PaperZD to implement the jump and fall animation. And I'll also show you how we can play one-off animations through anim overrides and how to play endless animations through anim jumps. All of the techniques you'll learn here aren't genre specific and can be used for Metroidvanias, beat-em-ups, RPGs, and much more. So if that sounds interesting to you, check the link in the description right now to enroll for free.